What an auspicious day. Many gave their lives that we might stand here once again, united in the government of a lawful republic. And how fitting that we welcome this new beginning by swearing in the youngest consul in the history of Rome, Gaius Octavian Caesar.
Esteemed senators, I take this first moment before you not to glorify myself, but to honor my father. In his honor, I declare that my term as consul shall usher in a new era, an era of moral virtue, of dignity. The debauchery and chaos we have had to endure will now end. Rome shall be again as she once was, a proud republic of virtuous women and honest men.
I speak to you now.
Not as a soldier or citizen, but as a grieving son. As my first act in this reborn republic, and in honor of my father, I propose a motion to declare Brutus and Cassius murderers and enemies of the state.
My dear boy, this is not what we agreed.
It is not. Nevertheless, here we are.
Brutus and Cassius still have many friends. You will split the chamber, the unity of the Republic.
Step away from my chair. My father died on this floor. Right there. Stabbed 27 times, butchered by men he called his friends. Who will tell me that is not murder? Who will tell my legions, who love Caesar as I do, that that is not murder? Who will speak against the motion?